Good morning, Bulldogs. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. You may be seated. Bulldogs, this week we're going to continue focusing on the core value of sweating the small stuff and the Bulldog value of we are optimistic. But this week, when we think about sweating the small stuff, we're not just talking about the basic expectations that we have at school, like 5 and 1 or tucking in your shirts. We're also thinking about the work that you do in classroom and really sweating the small stuff with your work. And when we think about being optimistic, we're not just talking about believing in yourself and saying that you can do it, but we're talking about, do you really understand your goals and how you're going to get there? So, in order to get caught sweating the small stuff, we really want to see everyone showing their hard work. And what this means is, in math class, really showing how you're solving your problem. In DI, it's really knowing how to set up your column problems and then working that out, or knowing the difference between your big number and your small number and really working that out. It also means in reading that you are in DI tracking along with the teacher while you're reading in your storybooks. It also means that your eyes are following the teacher as you are sounding out words. In upper grades, it means really showing that you're understanding the text and annotating in the text while you are reading. So a lot of teachers do little mini who and what the paragraphs are about. You might be underlining key words. I know in 4th grade, you guys circle the words that you see a lot. That is sweating the small stuff on your work. And the other thing I really want you to focus on with sweating the small stuff, and this is particular in math and in writing and during independent work in DI, is your handwriting. If we're sweating the small stuff with our handwriting, it, one, makes it easier for us to do the math because our numbers will align, but two, it also allows teachers to really see the work that you're doing to help you move forward. And then in terms of being optimistic, really focusing on knowing your goals. And so in DI, knowing which book are you working towards and how many lessons away are you from getting there. And in 3-5, it means knowing what your magic number is for the STAR test in all of your subjects. And if you don't know that, ask your teacher because they'll be able to tell you. Keep it 100. Let's make sure we're asking ourselves, would I do this if my mom, dad, auntie, uncle, or any other family member was watching me? Would I do this at my own home? We've come off from a 3-day weekend. I hope everyone is nice and rested. But remember, this is our home away from home. We spend more waking hours here, and so we got to treat this place as nicely as we would our own house. This weekend, Alejandro Dominguez, Rogelio Rodriguez, Timothy Arvizu, Anselmo Solis, Ricardo Alonso, and Miss Reyes celebrated birthdays. Hope you guys had a fantastic birthday weekend. And today I want to wish Juan Jose Sanchez, Alfonso Dominguez, and Edwin Vega a very happy birthday. Hope you guys have a great day today. Remember, AR Zone, we announced a field trip last week for those students who are 75% to becoming a word master by February 10th. That means in 1st grade, you've read 35,000 words. In 2nd grade, 75,000 words. In 3rd grade, 225,000 words. In 4th grade, 375,000 words. And in 5th grade, 550,000 words. And if you don't know where you are in terms of your word count, ask your reading teacher, ask your homeroom teacher, ask Miss Manchaca or Miss Balderas. 1st grade last week was killing it, being number 1 in idea. Today we'll find out the new rankings for this week. Let's see who it is. This week we are doing our Little Star testing. Remember, the goal is to grow at least 1 year if you're in intervention and 0.75 if you are not. Those students who do that will be able to earn the Silly String Party. Couple of quick announcements. Let's continue to show pride in the building by cleaning up after ourselves and helping pick up trash even if it's not ours. No non-idea jackets in the cafeteria or in class. Those get taken off as soon as you enter the building. We also have report card night tomorrow. Yes, we have report card night tomorrow. Every student who comes to report card night with their parent will get 5 Bulldog Bucks. Let's make sure we come to report card night tomorrow. We also will be having school store on Wednesday because I know we did not have it this last Friday with a couple of different things happening. So we will do it on Wednesday. But the big important thing is report card night tomorrow. Remember, if you think like a winner, you'll act like a winner. You will be a winner. Let's have a great Tuesday, Bulldogs. I'll see you around campus.